Now let's see how we can join two lists in Python in an easy and efficient manner. So the easiest way to join two lists in Python is using the plus operator. For example, if I have a list called a list1 which holds the value 1, 2, 3, 4, and let's say we have another list called list2 and there we have 5, 6 and 7, we can join them by the plus operator. So I can write here combined list then equal list 1 plus list 2. Then I can write the print statement and pass combined list. So now if I run the code, you will see both lists got merged. Let me comment this line and we can achieve this same thing using the extend method. So what I can do is I can write list1 dot extend and I'm gonna call the method and pass list2. Then if I write the print statement and pass list1 and run the code, you'll see the same result. But the key point here is extend method modifies the first list instead of creating a new one. So in this example, we created a new list by merging them. But in this example, we are recreating list 1 with the previous values and the values of list 2. So that's why you will lose the original list which was inside this variable. Now list 1 will contain all the elements of list 1 and 2. We can achieve the same thing using the append method as well. So what I can do is I can write list1 dot append, then in between parentheses I can pass list 2. So that if you run the code, you will see it appends the second list inside list 1. But here is a slight difference. Instead of merging the lists, dot append method adds the entire second list as a single element. So it becomes a nested list inside the list 1. Let me comment this line and tell you another modern way to join a list by using the star operator or unpacking. So what I can do is I can write the combined list variable and there what I can do is I can write square brackets and there I can write star list 1 comma star list 2. So this will unpack the value of list 1 and this will unpack the value of list 2, and by putting those values here it will create a new list. So if I write the print statement and pass combined list and run the code, you'll see the same output. If you have some large lists, you can use itertools.chain, which is an inbuilt module offered by Python. So to import an inbuilt module, what you can do is you can write from itertools import chain. So it will import chain from itertools module, and there are some pre-written code which is written by the Python developers, and while you installed Python, those got installed on your machine. So now what you can do is instead of this portion, you can write combined list equal, then call the list function and there write the chain method and pass list 1 comma list 2. So this iterables text, this is just an instruction from PyCharm. You don't have to worry about that. It is solely for development purpose. So now if you run the code, you will see the same output. Use this method when you have some large lists that holds many data to improve the performance of your program.